I chose my major mostly because of my grandma. She was diagnosed with cancer my junior year, and I was able to see how the nurses took care of her, and I was like, oh, like that could be something I could see myself doing. And when she was going through her treatments, I remember she was at the cancer center downtown, and it's a teaching hospital. So she really just looked like a science experiment because it was a rare form of cancer. And I just remember the nurses taking the time to treat her as a human, and I was like, yeah, that's something I could do, and then here I am. After graduation, I'm going to be moving back home to Indianapolis and working at Riley Hospital for Children on their hematology and oncology floor. So I'm excited to be able to give back and serve those kids because it's such a special population. I'm gonna miss everything about Purdue. I love it here. I was really struggling between choosing Purdue and IU before I first chose Purdue, and there hasn't been a day I have regretted that decision. I love everything. I'm gonna miss living in the dorms my freshman year. I already miss that. Living in the sorority house, living with my best friend, just everything about Purdue I'm gonna miss. I think something I'm most proud of is definitely getting into the program, the pediatric nurse practitioner program, so early on into my nursing career. And something else I'm very proud of is just being able to get internships that I had my junior year. I had a Mayo Clinic internship and a Riley internship offer, and I went with the Riley one just because I knew I wanted to stay home. But I think it kind of gave me the courage to still pursue the pediatric population because we don't really get those clinicals until senior year. So being able to just know what I wanted to do was people saw me being able to do that. So that's something I'm really proud of too. I was in Greek life my freshman, sophomore, and junior year, and then I've been involved a lot with the Purdue University School of Nursing. I'm a CNES scholar here, so what that means is I just kind of help run sims, keep the CNES beautiful, which I love doing. And then through my sorority, I did a lot of serving the West Lafayette and Lafayette community, which was awesome because I wasn't really familiar with it before coming to Purdue. So we did a lot with the Women's Heart Health Association, raising money for that and having philanthropy events for that. And then also doing a lot through LTHC and helping with the Natalie Shelter's dogs, which is always fun, grabbing them for a day and spending the day with them. So I did a lot of that throughout my time at Purdue. Just being able to graduate, I think is really exciting. I know sometimes, those weeks you have tough exams or finals, you don't really think you're gonna make it. And so being able to actually say I'm gonna have a Purdue degree is really exciting.